Today let's make tasty pumpkin soup. Trust me, if you're wanting to have good eye health, if you're on a journey of boosting your immunity and aiding weight management, you have to try making this pumpkin soup. It's packed with nutrients and keeps your body strong and healthy. To make this in a pot, you need to add in water. Once you've added in water, add in roughly chopped pumpkin, then goes in roughly chopped onions, then I'm adding in some garlic cloves, then I'm adding in here chicken stock cube. If you're a vegetarian, swap it to a vegetable stock cube. It's easily available in the supermarket. Now I'm adding in some salt. Then I'll add an inch of cinnamon, and once just give it a good mix just to see that the salt and all the cubes along with the water and veggies are nicely combined. Once that's done, let the veggies come to a boil. Now we need to boil all these veggies really very well till the pumpkin is soft and tender, because later we need to add it to the blender. Now we can see that the pumpkin is nicely cooked and soft. Once it's cooled down, transfer it to a blender and blend it into a smooth puree or paste like this. Now this puree or paste is ready. Now take a pot again, transfer this puree into that pot, and then as per your soup consistency, if you want it very thin, don't make it very thin, because soup tends to be little slightly thicker. Completely your choice. Add in water and then give it a good mix as per your consistency. Pumpkin later tends to thicken, so based on that, add in water. Give it a really very good mix. Now here you can add in any seasoning of your choice. I like to keep it very simple. Sometimes simple things gives out great flavor to our food as well. Now for the taste, I'm adding in salt to taste, and then I'm seasoning it up with some pepper. If you want, you can add in thyme or oregano or parsley, completely your choice, or chili flakes as well. I like to keep it simple. Let the soup combine really very well and boil really very well with the salt and pepper. This is a very simple, wholesome kind of soup. If you're wanting to make something light for lunch, dinner, or if you're not feeling well, trust me, you will love. And the best part is, try giving this to the kids will love it as well. Now the soup has beautifully come to a boil. Let's switch off the gas and serve it. Now in a serving bowl, add in the soup as much as you want, and then you can serve it. Now here you can just add in the soup and add in fresh cream and just serve it. But if you're that someone who likes to have a crispy thing on your soup as well, you can take in bread slices, apply butter on both the sides, roast it or toast it really very well, cut it into small pieces like this, and then serve it as well. It's optional, completely your choice. You can do that. It gives a nice crunch while you're having the soup. And then finally add in some fresh cream, and that's it. Your super simple, super easy pumpkin soup is just ready in 5 minutes. Very easy, very wholesome, light on tummy. If you're on a weight management, trust me, make this recipe and you'll make it on repeat. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. As I always say, enjoy your food. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.